Hello children, I am Diksha teacher from Toddler Love School of St. Paul High School. Today I am going to tell you a story. Let's meet our story character. You know what it is? It's a lion. Is it scary? But this lion is cute, na? But in our story, our lion is very scary. Do you know where lion live? He lives in a forest, and his lion calls wild animals, and he catch other animals and eat. So scary, right? Can you guess who is our another character? No? Let me see. Who it is? It's a mouse. Tiny, tiny mouse. Where does he live? He lives in a hole. He digs hole and he lives in there. He roams around our house and scares us, na? In our story, this tiny mouse stays in forest only. But we scared with this tiny mouse also and this big lion also. So let's start the story. Okay?
Title of the story is The Lion and the Mouse. There lived a lion in a forest bush. Near the bush lived a mouse in a hole. It was a hot day and a lion was taking rest after a long hunt. Look at the lion, how tired he is. Look at his tired face. Can you see his tired face? The playful mouse came out of his hole and started climbing up and down, up and down on the lion. The running of the mouse tickled the lion and he woke up. Look how tiny mouse playing on lion's body and see how lion is getting angry and he is getting really angry. He caught the mouse and said, "You silly fool! You disturb my sleep! I'm going to kill you!" Look how lion caught the mouse and how mouse is looking really scared. How scary it would be if someone caught by lion. The mouse looked at the lion and cleaned his face and replied humbly, "O King of Forest, please do have a mercy on the small creature. I have committed a mistake. If you excuse and pardon me, I will surely repay you in the future." See how Mouse joined his hands and requesting the lion. The lion was astonished by the bravery of the mouse and he let the mouse free. Look how astonished. Astonished means surprised. That he's so surprised that tiny mouse said that he will repay him. And see how mouse is very happy that lion let him go. Days passed. Once when the lion went for hunt, he got trapped in a net. Look at the scared lion when he realized that he stepped on a trapping net. Then he got trapped and started roaring. See how lion got trapped in a net. Mouse heard the roaring and thought, the lion must be trapped. I should help him. He ran to the where lion got trapped in a net and started gnawing. Do you know what gnawing means? Gnawing means biting, but biting slowly and continuously. See how effort mouse is putting gnawing the net so he can get lion free. Soon the net gave away and lion got free. They become good friends. See how mouse is sitting on lion's head. They are looking happy to be friends. Do you like the story? Now let's learn the moral of the story. What is moral? Moral means a lesson in the right way to behave that we will learn from a story. Like this story, what we learn? We learn that every tiny thing can be of immense help, and never underestimate anyone. It means anyone can help. We don't have to be big or small to help anyone. Like in this story, a small mouse helped big lion by gnawing net to set lion free. There is another moral of this story. The smallest acts of kindness make the biggest difference in someone's life. Means when you show kindness to others, they change. Like in this story, even though mouse made a mistake, still lion let him free on his request. That's why lion's kindness changed mouse, and he helps lion when he got trapped in net.
Do you understood morals, children? Let's repeat, okay? Every tiny things can be of immense help. Every tiny things can be of immense help.
And
Never underestimate anyone. Never underestimate anyone. There was another one, na? It was bigger, na? The smallest acts of kindness makes the biggest difference in someone's life. The smallest acts of kindness make the biggest difference in someone's life. Now we will do question answers. Why did lion get angry? Mouse was dancing up and down on lion's body. Because of that, he woke up. That's why he got angry. What did mouse request lion? He requests lion that if he let him free, he will help him in future. Why did lion was roaring? Lion was roaring because he got trapped in net. How did mouse help lion? He gnawed net and let lion free. Very good, children. We did question answers also. You enjoyed story and we learned from moral also. So we will meet soon. Bye.